26 Hyundai Palisade cabin air filter replacement. It's going to be in the glove box. Open the glove box, disconnect this damper right here. Undo the glove box stoppers, go counterclockwise, pull these out. Both sides here. Lower the glove box door. Right here is where the cabin filter is located. Pinch these tabs here together, pull towards you, remove the door. Here's the filter. This one's gonna be pretty new. This car is like brand new, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pull it out. There's a little bit of leaves in it. Pull that out, but you go ahead and just pull this thing all the way out. Get your new one, slide it in there. I'm not gonna do that all the way today. If you need a new one, I'll have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Now notice on this filter it says airflow. When you get your new one, it should have arrows on it like this one. The airflow is always gonna be pointed down if you're wondering. And when you go to put this door back on, make sure you put the left side in first and then just click this on like that. Lift this up like this. You can use the damper to hold everything up while you put the stoppers back in, okay? And that is pretty much it with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informational. If it was, hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe.